Good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you guys are. I want to show you guys what I make before or after I go to the gym. Now, there is no measurements for this. I just put however much I want in the blender and I blend that thing up. Drink this thing up and it gives me energy before or after the gym. Now, the chia seeds and the green powder, that is necessary. It is going to give you energy and help you with other things that's going on, maybe inside of your body. And don't forget that honey, mandatory. Now, y'all go and get these things and whatever you cannot find, as long as you got that strawberry and that cherry, you can still go on ahead and make the smoothie because it is absolutely delicious. But I hope you find the chia and the green powder. Now, y'all enjoy. Leave me a comment. And I hope to see you all for the next video because I'm about to go ahead and kill this smoothie. So until next time, you guys, I have got to go. Now, y'all come on and ride with me because I am out of this thing. Now, go back to the beginning to make for sure you get all of the ingredients. All right, y'all. I'm out. Let's ride.